Wait a second, guys. Let me have a sip of water. Water is such a nice topic, guys. Means there are different type of questions. We cannot live without water. We can't think even a single day without water. Have you ever thought that water are the components which makes water? Can we separate them? If you have such curious minds, then you have come to the right place. Hello, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Science Howlers. So, in today's topic, we are going to learn about electrolysis. Electrolysis is of different types, but today we are going to learn about electrolysis of water. So let's start. Electrolysis is a process in which we pass a current through the water which separates hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms. Going over your head, you are not able to understand anything. Need not to worry, I am going to tell a short story from which you will understand it completely. So let's start the story. And as well as we are going to do this electrolysis process at the end. So stay tuned till the end. So once upon a time there were two friends, hydrogen and oxygen. And hydrogen had a small brother known as hydrogen. He loved all of them, his brother hydrogen as well as the second friend oxygen. He liked him, that's why he called him like a friend. Then they were very good friends, and their friendship was so strong that one day they made a collaboration to make water. And after they started making water, this negotiation or this thing that they did, which is known as collaboration, was appreciated by all in the locality. But only one was scared of them, Dr. Mac. He also did inventions and did many ways so that the citizens of that locality would be happy. But he was a mad scientist. He did not did for the good of the people. He did bad for the people. So he tried many ways to discourage these friends, hydrogen and oxygen. He tried many ways to separate them, but none of them worked, and all his efforts went in vain. But when he lost all his hopes, then he suddenly remembered a formula, and he changed this formula into a process, and he named this process as electrolysis. We will now do the activity, the electrolysis practically. For this you are going to need some materials, which are a cup, then you will need a battery like this of 9 volts, some board pins. I would prefer only 2 board pins. Then you will need a wooden piece like this which have 4 holes, or 2 holes is also good. Then comes this. Now what is inside this? Guess it and comment it in the comment section below. This is, let me tell you, this is test tubes. You will also need these test tubes for this test. So let's proceed this thing into the process of electrolysis of water. You can also do this activity at home. If you have any doubt or any query, you can comment it on the comment section, or you can go and put this query on my Gmail address on Science Howlers. As you can see these bubbles coming out, it can be either oxygen or it can be either hydrogen. I hope you like our video. Please like it, share it, and do subscribe it and hit the bell icon. And if you don't know about it, need not to worry, here it is. Like it, you have to press this icon which signs is like a thumbs up. Then you have to press the subscribe and you will get the bell icon, and you have to hit all notifications. And if you want to share it and spread this knowledge to everyone, you have to press this share, and you will get different options so that you can share it. This is little bit late. I in the earlier video I told from next Saturday I would be posting on 5 p.m. Actually, there was some reasons for which I could not put the video at 5 p.m. But sorry for that, guys. But from next time I will be on time. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel and please like it and share this knowledge to everyone, so everyone can get this type of knowledge. Now we will meet each other in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself.